We're on page D150A. Here we divide a 6-digit number by a 2-digit number. Let's start. We start by considering the first 3-digit number and see how many 64 can fit into 135. We know we can only put 2. We put 2 there, and then 2 multiplied with 64, we get 128, and we do the subtraction. The remainder is a 7. We drop the 8. Now we have 78. Can we put 64 in 78? We can fit 1, so we write down 64. We draw the line, do the subtraction. The remainder is a 14. We drop the 7. The new number is 147. So how many 64 can fit into 147? How many 6 can fit into 14? We know we can only put 2 and not more. Now 2 times 64 again. We did it before, so we know straight away is 128. And we draw the line and we do the subtraction. And the remainder is a 19. Now we drop the last digit. The last number is a 2. So we have 192. How many 6's go into 19? We know we cannot put more than 3. We try 3. 3 times 4 is 12. And that carry over 1. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus the 1, we have 19. So that closed the calculation, and the answer, or we call the quotient, is 2,123. Let's do one more on the other side, and that is number 3. Now we put 64 into 20,000, okay, a 6-digit number. So let's try the first 3 digits. We put 64 in 200. How many 6 can fit into 20? We think we can't put more than 3. Let's see if 3 works. 3 times 4 is 12. Put a 2, carry over a 1. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1, I get 19. When we subtract it, well, I have a remainder 8. So I drop the 0. I put 0 down here, and I have 80. Can we put 64 in 80? Of course we can. We can put 1, and that gives me 64. When we subtract it, we have a remainder of 16. Now we consider the next 0. We drop the 0, we have 160. How many 64 can fit into 160? We know we can't put more than 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. So when we subtract it, we have a remainder 32. The last 0 we drop again. Here, the new number is 320. How many 64 can fit into 320? Let's try 5, because 5 times 6 is 30. That looks fine. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry over a 2. 5 times 6 is 30, plus a 2, we get 32. That fits perfectly well. So the answer is 3,125. When we do division, especially with the bigger numbers, please remember that the alignment of the answers and the calculation is very, very important. You can see that when the number gets bigger, there's nothing to be scared about, no need to worry. It's just to do one more step or 2 more steps of calculation, but you have to be very, very careful with the alignment of the answer. Make sure you write it at the right place so that you drop the next number down at the right line, into the right line to form the new number. That's all. Okay?